Ready to dive into the world of crypto from the Great White North? Today, we're showing you how to navigate Binance in Canada. Let's get started. First things first, head over to Binance.com since Binance's standard platform isn't fully available in Canada due to regulations. You'll need to access Binance through a workaround. We recommend considering Binance's options like Binance, a more compliant alternative, or exploring other reputable exchanges fully licensed and available in Canada. To register, you'll need a valid email address and create a strong password. Ensure you agree to the terms of service and complete any required CAPTCHA verification. Make sure the email you chose has not registered on the international platform before selecting Binance. Check your email for a verification link from Binance and click it to confirm your account. This step is crucial for activating your account and ensures your email is valid. Security is key. Enable two-factor authentication to FA using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. To start trading, you'll need to verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a copy of your government's ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and completing a facial verification process. Once verified, you can deposit funds into your Binance account. Choose your preferred method, either by transferring cryptocurrency from an external wallet or purchasing crypto directly using a credit, debit card, or bank transfer on approved platforms for Canadian users. Now you can start trading. Explore the various cryptocurrency pairs and place your buy or sell orders based on your market analysis and trading strategy. Remember to start small and understand the risks involved. And that's it. You're now on your way to using Binance in Canada or another platform. Remember to always stay informed about local regulations and practice responsible trading. Happy trading!